Hello all, welcome back to my channel Yuvataram Education. This is lecture 2 of vocabulary series. Today we are going to discuss about the root word mania, meaning excessive desire for something. Anthomania. Here anthos is the root word, which means flowers. So one who is having excessive liking for flowers, he is suffering from anthomania. Next, bibliomania. Biblio means that related to books. So one who is having excessive desire for books, he is suffering from bibliomania. Next one, ergomania. Ergo means work, that related to work. He is having desire for work. Next, hedomania. Hedo means related to pleasure. He is having desire for pleasure. Next, hippomania. Hippo means horse. So one who is having desire for horse riding, he is having hippomania. Next one, cynomania. Cyno means that related to dogs. So now one who is having excessive love towards dogs, he is having cynomania. Next, demomania. Demos means people. One who wants to live within the crowd. That means he is having excessive desire for crowd. He is suffering from demomania. Next one is dipsomania. Dipso means alcohol. Persons who is having excessive desire for alcohol drinks, he is having dipsomania. Next one, kleptomania. Klepto means stealing, desire for stealing things. Next, melomania. Melody. Melody means music. Who is having desire for music? Next, pyromania. Pyro means related to fire, having desire for setting things on fire. Now friends, remember these words because we are going to discuss these words in the coming topics. Verbomania. Verbo means words, desire for talking a lot. Xenomania. Xeno means foreign things, desire for foreign things. Next one, polymomania. Polymo means war, who is having obsession with war. Next one, Anglomania. Anglo means English, related to English, who is having craze or obsession with England and the English. Next, Clinomania. Clino means excessive desire to stay in bed. Dinomania, mania for dancing. Some people like dancing a lot. They are having dinomania. Next, discomania, obsession for disco music. Next, egomania. Here, ego, that means self-centered attitude or self-worship. Graphomania. In the previous class, I have discussed about grapho or graphy. It related to writing. So graphomania means whose obsession with writing. Hydromania. Hydro means water. So craving for water. Narcomania. Uncontrollable craving for narcotics or drugs. So it is called narcomania. Next one, phaneromania. Habit of biting one's nails. This is very important. Next, rincomania. Obsession with skating. One who loves to skate. Technomania. Craze for technology. Next one, root word phobia. Now, what is phobia? Irrational fear about something. That means they'll fear about things without any reason. Let's see some words. Fear of dogs. In the previous class, cyno means dogs. So we'll add phobia to it, then cynophobia, which means fear of dogs. Next, fear of foreigners, xeno. Xeno means related to foreign things. So, xenophobia. Next, fear of getting fat, lipophobia. We often hear about word lipo. People who are excessive weight or who is having excessive fat, they undergo lipotherapy or liposurgery to remove that excess fat. Next, fear of being robbed, harpaxophobia. Or next one, fear of pleasure. Pleasure means hedo, so hedonophobia. Fear of work, ergophobia. Water, hydrophobia. Fear of thirst, dipsophobia. Or fear of, in the previous class we learn about drink. Dipso means alcohol or drink. Next, fear of snakes, ophiophobia. Fear of words, logophobia. Next, fear of cockroaches, catsaridaphobia. Fear of poverty, peniophobia. Penia or penury, that related to poor, penury. Next one, fear of number 13, triskaidekaphobia. This is very important for exam perspective. Next, fear of riding a car, amaxophobia. Some people fear of riding car because they are suffering from amaxophobia. Next, fear of speed, lalophobia. Fear of air, acrophobia. Sound. Next, fear of sounds, acoustic. This term will hear in sounds. So acousticophobia. Next, fear of wind, anemophobia. Next, fear of bees, epiophobia. Fear of books, bibliophobia. Now, person who is having excessive desire for books is called bibliomania. We learned in the previous session, bibliomania. Next, fear of colors, chromo, that is related to colors, so chromophobia. Fear of time, chronophobia. Next, fear of closed places, claustrophobia. Fear of insects, entomophobia. In previous session or previous class, we learned about study of insects. So we should add entomo plus logy, which is called study of insects. Next one, fear of work, ergophobia. Now, who is having excessive desire for work is called ergomania. Ergomania. Fear of marriage, gamophobia. Fear of blood, hematophobia. Now, study of blood is called hematology. You should add logy to it, hemato. Fear of horses, hippophobia. Next, fear of strangers, xenophobia, or foreigners. Fear of strangers or foreigners. It is called xenophobia. Next, fear of animals, zoophobia. Now, study of animal life, zoology. I have studied in the previous session. Next, fear of darkness, scotophobia. Fear of dust, ruphophobia. Now, friends, all these words are important for exam perspective. These words have been asked in exams like SSC and some banks examinations. So, friends, if you like the video, kindly share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel, Yotaram Education. Thank you.